ever been stopped by the traffic police in India? A sudden wave of paranoia hits us, inducing crippling anxiety and nervousness. But in fact, there is nothing much to worry if you are stopped by the traffic police. Hello everyone, this is Shaily Soman from SmallTalk India, and these are the 10 main rights you need to know as a commuter. First, traffic police are required to carry a challan book or e-challan machine in order to penalize you. Without having any of these, they cannot penalize you. Second, according to the Section 130 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988, if a traffic police asks you to show the documents, you only need to show your driving license at that moment. The choice of handing over the rest of the documents is completely at your own will. Here is the list of documents that you should have with you at all times: registration certificate, pollution under control certificate, driving license, and vehicle insurance policy document. Third, never succumb to the illegal demands of the police. Do not attempt to bribe the traffic police. Ask for identification. You can always ask a traffic cop that pulls you over to show you his or her identity. Note down the buckle name and number, and if the buckle is not there, you can ask them to show you their identity card. If they refuse, then you can also refuse to show your documents. Fourth, if the police officer is an officer of rank sub-inspector or above, you can settle the offence by paying off the challan at the spot. Fifth, under the Motor Vehicles Act, you can be penalized for jumping a red light, improper and obstructive parking, overspeeding, driving without a helmet, smoking inside a vehicle, driving without a number plate, driving without a license, a vehicle without registration or proper insurance, or proper pollution under control certificate. So if the police officer decides to confiscate your license, make sure that you are being handed over with a valid receipt issued by the Traffic Police Department against your license. Sixth, in case a police officer issues you a challan or prosecution slip, you have to make sure that it contains the following details: name and details of the court where the trial will be held, details of the offence, date of the trial, name and address of the alleged offender, name and signature of the police officer issuing the challan, and details of the documents required. 7th, if you are detained by the traffic police for an offence, you must be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours for the trial. 8th, the traffic police cannot tow your vehicle away if a human being is sitting inside the vehicle. 9th, it is illegal for a traffic cop to take away the keys of your vehicle forcefully. No police officer, irrespective of his or her rank, can indulge into such action. If they misbehave or you feel that you are being harassed, you can always file a complaint online or in your nearest police station explaining the incident. 10th, according to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, it is legal to carry electronic copies of the documents and has to be accepted as a legal form of documentation. So you can show the electronic copies of your license and other documents on the DigiLocker or M-Parivahan app. So the next time you are stopped by a traffic police, be calm, be polite and respectful. Do not get nervous and agitated, and just adhere to the rules. Thank you so much. Stay safe and drive safely.